Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeannie and this is Get This Glowing, and we are leaping right into a very good giveaway with my dynamic duo partner Jess. That's right, we are going to be running a very good giveaway with my dynamic duo partner Poison Ivy. Yeah, that's right. So Harley, Quinn, and Poison Ivy are teaming up again because we ransomed some very good palettes. Just kidding. Just kidding. But we do have some very good palettes. It is the Berry Burst palette from Voss. So this is absolutely gorgeous, and this is what the palette looks like. I don't know if you can really tell it. Actually, I opened this to make sure it wasn't busted. It hadn't burst in shipping. It hadn't burst in shipping, so I can show you this if I can get it out of here. So let's see, because I didn't want to send out something that was broken. So it's absolutely gorgeous. I think that these are some of the colors that's in the Holy Grail palette. Actually, it's just beautiful. So it's just, oh, it's a really pretty palette. I have the Holy Grail palette and I love it. So yeah, if you don't have the Holy Grail palette, or if you're looking for a very pretty berry palette, this is just absolutely gorgeous. And I really love my Holy Grail palette. So this is what we're giving away. Again, the Voss Berry Burst palette. And it's a dynamic duo giveaway. So what does that mean? It means that you have two chances to win. You have a chance on my channel and you have a chance on Jess's channel. I've got it sealed up in this IPSY bag right here that I'm going to be sending it out to you in. And so all you have to do is like the video, be subscribed to my channel, and leave a comment down below. And somewhere in that comment, just say enter me, because those are the words that I will be filtering over on the random comment picker. And we are going to be running this for a week, until next Saturday at 11:59 p.m. and that is on Leap Day. And then we will draw on March the 1st then. So yeah, get your entries in by the end of February the 29th at 11:59. And then we will draw on March the 1st for the winner. So go over to Jess's channel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment on her channel that says enter me, and then you will have double the chances to win. So what are the rules and what is the disclaimer? This giveaway is my giveaway. It is in no way, shape, form, or fashion attached to, supported by, linked to, ran by, or affiliated with YouTube. It's my giveaway. It's for my subscribers, so you must be subscribed to my channel. And you need to be 18 years or older to enter and have a U.S. mailing address for me to ship your winnings to. And just leave a comment down below with the words enter me. It's pretty much the same rules that are there each and every time. And the winner will be chosen by the random comment picker. So be sure that you leave in your comment if you want to be entered to win the words enter me. And that's all that you really have to do. The rules will be posted in the description box. But be sure that if you haven't subscribed to my BFF Jess, that you run over to her channel and you subscribe, like, leave a comment on her channel so that you do have double the chances to win. And I will leave her up in the iCard. Along with that, I will have her at the end of the video. Her face will be a bobblehead next to mine so that you will be able to easily click on the bobblehead and subscribe to her as well. I will also have her channel down in the description box below. So it'll be really easy for you to navigate over to her channel as well. So I hope that you enjoy these type of videos and these type of giveaways. We love doing this for you guys. We have got a lot of upcoming giveaways scheduled for you guys. We were in the BOXY pop-up shop, so we were there getting our future giveaways together for you guys, and we've got a lot coming your way, so stay tuned for more. So we love you guys so much. We love doing the Dynamic Duo giveaways for you, and so stay tuned for more. If you were interested in some of the palettes on the BOXY pop-up and didn't get them, chances are we've got them coming up in giveaways for you. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Hope that you like the palette that's up for grabs. Enter below, and we'll see you next Sunday for the winner announcement, and we will be posting another Dynamic Duo giveaway soon. Mwah. Smooches, everybody. Bye bye for now.